the Marvel logo. Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Marchitect. It is time to start our Christmas Lego haul builds. And we are going to start today with the Marvel logo. I cannot wait to break into this, see all those awesome minifigs, and get this thing going. All right, stick around.
Okay, let's go.
All right, it's time to break her open and see what we got. As you know, this is my favorite part. All right, let's see here. Looking good, looking good. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bags. And of course, we got our instruction booklet. That is pretty thick. I love it. And yeah, let's get building. So we're through 3 bags, and it looks like we just got a little bit of the body of the set together here. You can start to make out some of the letters. That's part of the R, A, and you know, we're getting there. Just the internal structures is pretty cool here. Just making sure everything is nice and sturdy behind it to support everything. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so we've started working on the mechanisms that pop the little minifigures out. That's pretty ingenious right there. A lot of Technic pins and posts. I just love Lego. This is so much fun. Through 6 bags, and I just got to show you this. I love it. That is so cool. I could just do that all night. All right, 5 more bags to go. Let's keep going. we are on the last bag. Almost at a marvelous Lego set. Once we get this lettering done, throw on the minifigs and we'll be all done. All right, let's finish up. Okay, so we are all set with the Marvel logo here. It's a very simple build, but fun. There's a lot of hidden features to it. Before I showed you the mechanisms inside, and I wish I could show them to you now, but it is fully enclosed and very difficult to get in there. But I can show you what they do if you just go like this. So that right there is an unbelievably cool feature of this Marvel logo set. So we've got the 5 of the 6 Avengers. We're missing Hawkeye, but you know, there's really nowhere to put them. You can arrange these however you want. I've got Captain America over here, Black Widow, Iron Man in the middle, Thor, and then Hulk down here on the side. It's a great display piece. You can display it open with the Avengers, you know, in poses, or you can close it up and just have the logo by itself. Your choice. Anyway, it is, again, very simple, but really, really cool build. And yeah, you should definitely pick this one up. It's a lot of fun if you're a Marvel fan. I did want to leave you with this really cool Marvel set again, and ask you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave me some comments, let me know what you guys are working on, let me know what you think of the videos, the channel itself, let me know what you want me to build next, and you know, if you didn't like this video, just pretend you did and do it anyway, because that is the Marchitect way. Alright everybody, stay cool, keep building, and we'll see you in the next one.